In today's class, let us study origin and development of statistics. Origin of statistics. When man started counting, comparing and keeping records in one or the other way, the subject statistics seems to have originated. So, what is the statistics? Statistics is the data or information which we collect. So now in a society where man lives, we keep record of each and everything, right? Like what record a farmer will keep? He'll keep the record of climatic conditions. And what record a doctor can keep? He'll keep the records of medicines for different diseases, right? So the word statistics seems to have been derived from the Latin word status, Italian word statista, German word statistic or the French word statistique, each of which means a political state. So let us see what is the status or political state. In olden days we had kings and their kingdoms. So how do we come to know what was their wealth, how big their kingdom is, how big their empire is? So to justify their kingdom, like who is the big king or small king, to find out this, they were collecting data of how many elephants are there, how many soldiers are there, how much money they have. All the data are being collected. From this, the king's wealth was known, and to know their status, they were collecting the data. Like whether they are of middle class, rich class or poor class, to know the status, they were collecting the data. In the same way, other kings also collect their kingdom's data to see who is superior or who is inferior. By this, they used to increase their kingdom. So the word statistics is originated from olden days, but they were unaware that they were using statistics. Now here we can see Chandragupta's period. In India, during Chandragupta's period, in Kautilya's book called Arthashastra, we can find the records of statistics where he has been recorded the births and deaths of many people. Similarly, during Akbar's period in India, that is during 16th century AD, there was statistical records on agriculture and accounts of administrative and statistical surveys all were maintained, and this was written by Abu Fazl. So, if we trace back to the history of statistics, it is originated from the Latin word status, Italian word statista or the German word statistic or the French word statistique. So, in those days, statistics is something which is similar to a state or the data which is collected or maintained for the welfare of the people. Okay. Now coming to development of statistics. At present, statistics has grown at a phenomenal rate. The applications of statistics is done in almost all the disciplines of knowledge. So now statistics has increased worldwide. It is used in almost every field. It is not only used to collect the data of a kingdom, but it is used everywhere, like it is used in business, it is used in economics, it is used in social science, politics, planning, and it is also used in sports and games and etc. And statistics is also a branch of mathematics. Okay. Now if I take an example, like nowadays you will see in TVs or in newspapers or internet the news like the gold rate is increased or the petrol rate is increased, what is today's temperature, what is the rainfall data, what is status in cricket, where the football match is taking place now, and what happened in election, etc. So we will get worldwide information from the news within few seconds, right? So from where do they get all these informations for news? All these informations are collected, which is called as data. From these informations, few important or necessary informations are extracted, and they are presented in the form of graphs or tabular form or in the textual form. Then those informations are updated to the public using TV or internet or radio or using any other source. So, statistics is a very vast field and it is mainly based on collection of data. So, here you have some information. So, Ronald A. Fisher is considered as father of statistics. And Prashant Chandra Mahanobis is called as father of Indian statistics. And Prashant Chandra Mahanobis is also the founder of Indian Statistical Institute. Thank you for watching.